Hello, I'm Master Tuts. Are you feeling pressured about Windows 10 reaching its end on October 14th, 2025? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Windows 10 installer, create a bootable USB, and install Windows 10 from scratch. By the end, you'll have a clean, fast, and fully working system. So grab your USB drive, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next tutorial. After connecting your USB, obtain the Windows 10 LTSC ISO file. You can easily find it on the Windows website by searching for Windows 10 LTSC on Google. After you complete the download, the next step is to install the bootable software. In this video, I will be using Rufus. Rufus is a free, lightweight tool used to create bootable USB drives. In plain terms, if you have a Windows 10 ISO file or any operating system image, and you want to install it on a computer, Rufus formats your USB drive and writes the installation files in a way your PC can boot from it. To download Rufus, go to Google, then type Rufus download. Once downloaded, install, then open it. Once you open Rufus, it should show you your USB name on this part. If it does show, then you're good to go. Now make sure to follow the steps properly. Now we're ready to install Windows 10 on our system. First, you need to turn off your computer or laptop. Make sure your USB is still plugged in. Now turn it back on. Then quickly press F10. Keep pressing F10 until BIOS mode shows up. It should show like this. Now use your keyboard, then move it to advanced. Now choose boot option. Now scroll down and look for UEFI order. It should show you your USB name. Move your USB until top like this on my screen. Now move to main page. Then choose Saver Changes and exit. Once saved, your computer will automatically turn off. Just wait and it should show like this. Now choose the first one. On this part, it'll just delete all except one, where our Windows OS be installed. Lastly, click Next and wait for our system to finish installation. Remember to remove USB once it's done installing. And boom! That's how you install Windows 10 from start to finish. Party Popper, your PC is now fresh, fast, and ready to roll. Go ahead, customize your desktop, install your apps, and make it your own. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and ring that bell so you never miss an upload. Got questions or ran into a problem? Drop them down in the comments, I read them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy computing!